Welcome to the Breathing and Imagery Healthy TMJ Flow. As you settle into a sitting or reclined position, see if there's anything you can do to make yourself just 5 to 10% more comfortable. As you move and adjust to get more comfortable, remember that meditation is a practice. You can feel benefits immediately, but we're ultimately trying to practice a way of being or a habit that you can use even when you are not meditating. During this practice, you do not have to move at all. You will primarily use your breath, your attention, and your imagination to observe and experience your body. Let's start with the breath. Breathe in and out through your nose. We will start with a few slightly deeper breaths. Try to keep the shoulders and the chest very still and relaxed. As you breathe in, imagine your lower belly, lower back, and lower ribs as a cylinder around your lower spine. Imagine you're trying to fill the entire cylinder with air. Keep as much of your body as relaxed as possible as you gently and slowly breathe in and fill the cylinder. Then slowly breathe all the air out until you have no air left to press out. Then refill the cylinder slowly and fully, and press the air out gently but fully. Repeat this twice more. Continue breathing, but in a more relaxed manner. Perhaps you could continue to feel the cylinder expanding and contracting gently as you breathe. Bring your attention to your feet. Notice the sensations in your feet. Bring your attention to the four corners of your feet, your big toes, the little toes, the inner heel, and the outer heel. Use your imagination to expand those points away from each other. Then notice any changes in the sensations in your feet. Bring your attention to your hips. Notice the sensations in your hips. Bring your attention to your outer hips. Use your imagination to feel the outer hips gently floating away from each other. Notice any changes in the sensations in your hips. Bring your attention to your ribs, noticing the sensations in your ribs. Bring your attention to your outer ribs. Use your imagination to feel the outer ribs floating away from each other. Notice any changes in the sensation in your ribs. Bring your attention to your shoulders. Notice the sensations in your shoulders. Bring your attention to the outer points of your shoulders. Use your imagination to feel the outer shoulders floating away from each other. Notice any changes in the sensations in your shoulders. Bring your attention to the back of your head and neck. Notice the sensations in this area. Bring your attention to the base of your neck, where the spine of the neck meets the shoulders. Then up to the back of the head at the very top. Use your imagination to feel these points floating away from each other. Notice any changes in the sensations of the back of the neck and head. Bring your attention to your ears. Notice the sensations in your ears. Bring your attention to the openings of each ear. Use your imagination to feel the ears floating away from each other. Notice any changes in the sensations in your ears. Bring your attention to your eyes and notice the sensations in your eyes. Bring your attention to the outer points of each eye. And use your imagination to feel the outer points of the eyes floating away from each other. Notice any changes in the sensation in and around your eyes. Bring your attention to your jaw. Notice the sensations in your jaw. Bring your attention to the outer points of your jaw. Use your imagination to feel the 2 points of the jaw floating away from each other. Notice any changes in the sensations in your jaw. Bring your attention to your teeth. Notice any sensations in your teeth. Bring your attention to the top and the bottom teeth in the back of your mouth. Use your imagination to feel the back teeth floating away from each other, or the lower teeth floating downward. Notice any changes in the sensation in your jaw and around your teeth. Bring your attention to your tongue. Notice the sensations in your tongue. Relax the tongue, allowing it to gently rest in the mouth. Then notice any changes in the sensations in your tongue. Bring your attention to your lips. Notice the sensations in your lips. Relax the top and bottom lips, allowing them to fully relax, yet still touch. Notice any changes in the sensations in your lips. Take a few breaths and feel the sensations in your body. Use the strategy of floating to adjust your sensations as needed. When you are ready, you can resume your activity, knowing you can bring these strategies into your everyday life at any time.